Welcome to this tutorial on extracting audio from a video using CapCut PC. To begin, add the video you wish to extract audio from to CapCut. Once imported, drag the video onto the timeline. We can zoom in on the timeline to see the waveform indicating the audio part of the video. To extract the audio, right-click on the video clip and select Extract Audio. This action will create a new audio track. You can then delete the video track, leaving only the audio track. Next, to export the extracted audio, go to the Export option. Uncheck the video option since you only want the audio. The audio will default to MP3 format, which you can change if needed. Choose the destination folder for the audio, then click on Export. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching.